Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening both spreadsheets and confirming you have edit access to each. Once done, identify the specific sheet names and exact ranges or cell addresses you want to connect. This prevents errors. Make sure to decide if you need a one-way import or a two-way sync, because that affects formula choice. Also verify file locations, same drive or cloud, and confirm sharing settings so formulas can resolve. With these elements ready, you're set to build the actual link. Now create the link with the appropriate formula. Use import range for Google Sheets across files, direct bracketed references for Excel workbooks, or VLOOKUP/index match when mapping rows. Enter the source file path or URL and the exact sheet. Range or cell you noted earlier. Precision matters. If prompted, grant access so the destination can read the source. Once set, test with a small, known range to confirm values update. This prevents cascading errors when you scale up. Finish by protecting linked cells or ranges to avoid accidental changes, and then refresh or recalculate to ensure updates appear. If values don't populate, make sure permissions are intact and the source file path or URL hasn't changed. Broken paths and misspelled sheet names are the usual culprits. Also check for circular references if you attempted two-way sync. One key troubleshooting tip: reopen both files and reauthorize access. Most link failures resolve when you confirm permissions and refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.